Hey, welcome back to the second video on IBM on your precision data channel. Now we get on to the fun stuff, the profit forecast, and also the returns and drawdown. Okay, we left off here with the REMA slightly being ahead of the those and out the other two competition. Let's move on. Force forecast, 6 months data. Now take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Okay, look at this. Is this crazy for March? But it is predicting an upturn. I want you to notice where is it. This is like $210 or something like that, $200 maybe. 12 months data. Okay. This is a little different. What I want you to notice is, all right, so here's 200. Even though we got this wild ride, okay, they wind up about the same spot with that $4 difference. So we got the comparison. Look at the difference between the two final forecasts is $4.30. Okay, profit forecast overlay for comparison again. Both wind up the same spot. Now, why is this so? What's causing this wildness up here? Well, that's because the 6 months data is going to have more emphasis on recent terms. Like this there's going to be more the volatility from the last. Is going to affect the plot, but it does wind up the same plot. Model disagreement thing here. Here you go. I'm not sure what these mean. Maybe you can explain it to me. Metrics. Here's some metrics, right? Okay, 204, 200, so forth. Final day absolute, 2.4% gap. Okay. Higher on the final day, 6 months. All right. Here's a nice big long. I don't know what that means. Let's move on to cumulative returns. This is a percent return. If you've invested back here, even up into here. Of course, look what IBM did back here during the last quarter of last year. Good news is you're still ahead of the game. You're still at 60%. You still got a 60% cumulative return since 2024. Okay. $10,000 investment in 2024 is now worth about $15,000. That's still not a bad amount of return, and it's rebounded up to about $13,000, about $17,000 also. Drawdown, quite a bit of craziness here, but this type of cyclical stock, this type of stock for IBM you would expect. And there you have it. Returns and forecasts with profit for IBM International Business Machine.